Hello students, welcome to PharmaEasyNotes. In today's lecture, we will understand what pharmacopoeia is and how it evolved from ancient time to modern science. Have you ever wondered how medicines are made safe and standardized? Today we will explore the history of pharmacopoeia, the backbone of drug quality. Now, what is pharmacopoeia? Pharmacopoeia is an official book that contains standards for drugs, including their identity, purity, strength, and quality. In simple words, it is the rule book for medicines. Origin: let's go back in history. In Mesopotamia around 2600 BC, the first drug records were found. In Egypt, the Ebers papers described herbal medicines. In India, Charak Samhita and Sushruta Samhita explained medicinal system. In China, traditional herbal practices were used. These were not official pharmacopoeia, but they laid the foundation. The first official pharmacopoeia was Nuovo Receptario, published in 1498 in Florence, Italy. It was created to standardize the preparation of medicines. This marked the beginning of modern pharmacopoeia. Major pharmacopoeia. Now let's look at important pharmacopoeia used today. First, BP, British Pharmacopoeia, USP, United States Pharmacopoeia, IP, Indian Pharmacopoeia. This ensured drug quality across different countries. Importance of pharmacopoeia. Why is pharmacopoeia important? Ensures safety of medicines, maintains quality and purity, provides legal standards, guides pharmaceutical industries. It protects patients' health. Modern pharmacopoeia. Today, pharmacopoeia are digital and regularly updated. Online access available, advanced testing methods, global standards, making medicines safer than ever. Now, conclusion. So, the history of pharmacopoeia shows a journey from ancient herbal knowledge to modern scientific drug standards. It plays a crucial role in ensuring safe and effective medicines. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PharmaEasyNotes for more pharmacy lecture. Thank you.